Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the only way to potentially change your IGNOU exam center, immediately outlining the general rules. IGNOU usually does not permit students to change their allotted examination center once assigned, maintaining consistency for administrative reasons. However, a single specific process exists for truly unavoidable and extreme circumstances, not merely for convenience. This might include an unexpected official transfer to a different state or a severe medical condition, preventing travel to the original location. To initiate a change, you must submit a written application to your specific regional center, not the headquarters. This application must include comprehensive, verifiable documentation that clearly justifies your request for a center alteration. For instance, an official government transfer order or a detailed medical certificate from a qualified practitioner would be necessary proof. Ensure all documents are authentic and clearly present your unavoidable circumstances for review. Timeliness is absolutely crucial for any change request. Applications must be submitted well before the examination schedule begins. Please note that there are strict deadlines, often several weeks before the exams, and submissions received after these dates will unfortunately not be entertained. Furthermore, the approval of your request is entirely dependent on the availability of sufficient seating capacity at your desired alternative center. Therefore, a successful outcome is never guaranteed, even with valid reasons. After submitting your application, it is advisable to regularly follow up on its status by contacting your respective regional center via phone or email. Since approval is not guaranteed, we strongly recommend that you simultaneously prepare to appear for your examinations at your originally assigned center as a prudent backup. Should your request unfortunately be denied, your attendance at the initial examination venue remains mandatory for you to sit for your papers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.